Roshi, what does fashion means to you?
So yeah, today I'm here at the launch of flagship store of Fatma Sheikh. First of all, I would really like to congratulate her because she is so young, vivacious, and the the star designer. And I would like to wish her all the best with her career and for her future as well. And I also would like to tell everybody that she's the only designer, that she can really design Western and Indian outfits really well. So she's doing great job, and I think and I really believe that she'll go miles ahead.
Fashion and style can be learned or is something inherited thing, but from the very beginning as such.
It is, yeah, it can be learned, of course, because, there are a lot of examples, and I've seen a lot of transformation happening in our industry. When the actresses, when they join the industry, they are not as stylish, and they don't. But later on, they become stylish. So yeah, it can be learned. Anything can be learned.
You are part of the glamour industry. How important is for an individual to be fashionable and stylish if you want to be successful as well?
See, for example, as there are a lot of awards. Like Filmfare, IFA, and a lot of such awards keep on happening. But these days, the Style Glamour Awards also happen. I just went for the Ciroc Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards. So yeah, these days all these such things are happening. So to become a star or like a superstar, it's also important to carry off the fashion really well. You gotta go, and you really have to have that terrific sense of fashion as well.
You have signed a film deal with a T-Series or with some company. Kindly want to disclose about that?
Yeah, I've signed a 3-movie non-exclusive deal with T-Series. So my first film is Sanam Re, which is directed by Divya Khosla Kumar. It's a Hindi, like a most passionate love story. I've just finished completely shooting of my South film, which is Opposite South Superstar Darshan. I've also, 2 more films with T-Series. And I'm doing 1 film with Tips as well, which is produced by Kumar Taurani.